To remove age restrictions on YouTube is pretty simple. Make sure to locate the Gmail account you are signed in with your YouTube. In this case, you can open it via your Gmail app or your normal browser. In our case, we are using the Gmail app. And then on this interface, we're going to navigate to the top right corner where you see our profile menu and tap on it. And with this selected, we're going to proceed to select the Gmail account that we are logged in with our YouTube. In this case, we're going to tap on the Manage Google. This will redirect us to this interface with a list of options. Make sure to navigate and tap on the personal info navigation. And then on this menu, when you scroll up, you could see birthday, which is currently May 1st, 1991. So make sure to select it, and you have to allow it a bit of moment to finish loading. And this is where the magic will happen. In terms of the year, if you calculate and it's under 18, make sure you select the year which will make it 18 and above. So you can make it 1990, 2000, or any of the year that you deem fit is above 18. And YouTube will automatically grant you the permission to view any video of your choice by removing the age restriction limit on your account. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.